Do you wanna? What? Okay. We got.
First we have the Devil's Food Cake Mix, Betty Crocker, tempting chocolate icing, and the Choco Writers edible something.
Alright, let's do a little wash hands with Ella moment. Oh, that hair tie is getting really wet. We need vegetable oil, water or milk? Water. 3 medium eggs. Do you have eggs?
Polly has the eggs.
Who's Polly? Oh. We can either make cupcakes or 2 cakes, 2 tins.
2 layers.
Do you have the 2 thingies?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, we need a bowl.
Yeah.
Stupid. We need a bowl. Betty Crocker. Sponsor us.
Sponsored by. Oh, you can't see that.
We also need a bowl and a bowl, a teaspoon, and then a mixing spoon.
Okay. Teaspoon.
A tablespoon. Sorry. A bowl.
I'm not going to ask what's going on there.
Is that why you were just silent the whole time? Oh, it's a soft close. How fancy.
Maybe that's why everything's so expensive at Tesco.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Because it's like fancy.
What are you on about?
The water.
I was talking about the soft clothes. The cupboard. What are you on about?
I thought you meant the water lid.
No. Vegetable oil. We have water. We need 230 milliliters of
I'm
water.
trying to find a jug.
A jug? A jug?
My name's Ella.
Hi guys, we're baking cake.
We're making chocolate cake.
And I'm here with Ella.
I'm 16.
That's a bit much.
Okay.
That's a bit much. We are baking
Chocolate cake.
and I'm here with Ella. Okay, preheat oven to 180 or 160.
160 for fan.
Yeah, for fan.
Right, I had it on like 200.
So I've got the cake batter. Do you want to put 230 milliliters of water into the jug? Beat eggs, water and oil. I don't know if it's recording right now.
Right, can you beat eggs?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Well, professional.
8 tablespoons. And then 8
Oil.
tablespoons of the...
Yeah, 8, sorry. Careful.
What did you just go? Why are you so like...
You're making a mess!
That's about 8.
Well, I mean, it looked about like 20 at this point. This is why I wasn't partners with her in food.
What? Oh!
Great mixing. Your year 7 food expertise is thriving right now.
Actually, that's good.
Do you want to
Grease.
prepare the tin? Yeah.
Wait, I'll put it in the microwave.
Make sure it doesn't melt.
For 10 seconds.
There we go. I'll hold you in the kitchen. Oh my god, did you put the paper in there? Ella! Oh, you actually don't.
It smells like burnt like. I like that smell, my first one.
Chemicals, yum.
Right.
Ready?
Beautiful.
It's lumpy though.
Great whisking. You can just hear my dog licking the floor.
3. Okay.
Here we see a spatula. Do not try this at home without parents.
Oh, she's not putting oven mitts on. In the oven for how long?
Let's pretend I know.
Look at it. Oh, you can see it. It's bubbling.
Oh, that is gross.
Look.
literally like quaking.
You didn't even need to like.
Jiggly.
You didn't even need to check that.
Oh.
Yeah, keep it in. Oh, the outside looks a bit burnt, doesn't it though?
Introducing Lindsay.
What's that noise? What's it making?
He's dead.
It landed on my foot. She never heard of Kiss Me Through the Phone.
Got this feeling inside my bones. It goes. Got this feeling.
Don't drop it.
Okay.
Okay, now the cake is cooled. We're gonna.
About 2
Answer
hours
some-
later.
Do you remember how we met, or what was your first memory of each other?
Oh god. Do you remember?
I remember like the first memory of us.
I remember when we were in the food or whatever, and it was like me, you, us four. We like shared the area, shared the sink.
Oh,
I remember when they were washing up. So
No.
we always
Yeah, she'd just ditch us. She'd ditch us, and then we'd have to clean up after.
Yeah.
And we'd be late for lunch.
Because I never had the oven free. I always had to use someone else's.
My first memory was when we did music together,
You're right.
and we had to come up with a song.
That was my favourite.
And we did the cup song. Me,
was
you, and
this?
Lily. We did the cup song. We fully
I
sat.
was talking about
No, not that.
The bowl.
Oh my god, I remember that as well.
I don't remember the cup song.
Yeah, we fully did the cup song. We were like, okay
For
guys,
what?
we need to find something. I don't know, she was like, oh, find something that you guys can do and you have to perform it in front of the class. And we did the cup song.
Really?
Yeah, we played the music in the background and we fully like
Wait, I think I remember that
we
now.
were sat in the middle, we were all on this like small like bench thingy.
No, because I think I did it wrong or something. I was like. But do you remember the woman in black? And when we were doing the sound effects and we put like a chiming bell.
We were in that corner and there was one time
Yeah.
when Millie didn't come in, I think she was ill. And it was just me and you.
Yeah.
And we messed it up like really badly.
Oh my god, this one's fragile.
What is a country or place that you would really like to visit?
Wait, you go first.
I'm gonna go to New York.
Oh, yeah.
New York, Australia,
Yeah.
and Hawaii. Or Japan as well.
That's what I was gonna say. I want to go to Singapore as well.
Oh, have you seen that airport?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It just looks so
Amazing.
like, I don't know, everything's like clean. It's so really nice.
I know what you
I'm
mean.
not used to being around.
Go to song.
Get You by Daniel Caesar
You love Daniel.
and Kaylee Urchus, Japanese Denim by the same person.
What's the next question?
You didn't even answer.
Oh! Baby by Justin Bieber. For sure.
As much as I love Justin Bieber's Baby, I think my go-to song would be Listerine or Hot Rod by Dayglow.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
My superpower would be to read minds or
Really? You want to know what's on people's mind?
or fly.
Really?
Yeah, because
But like, if you fly,
you just go anywhere.
but like, wouldn't you want another superpower with that? Like, what's the point of flying somewhere if you can't do anything with it? Like, surely you want to fly somewhere, then like have super strength and be able to do stuff.
What withdraws me then? Time travel's good as well.
I want to be Wanda. I'd probably say like telekinesis and stuff. Just like lift things up with your mind.
Oh, that would be cool. Because like, imagine being in class and then something just flies across the room.
Yeah, you just like hit people with stuff.
That is so good. That's so good.
Because I can use that on a day-to-day basis, whereas I'm not going to fly around in my room, am I?
A potato flew around my room before you came.
If you just snap, and you could be anywhere you want to be.
Teleporting.
Yeah, teleporting.
And commit. Number one pet peeve.
You go.
When people eat with their mouth open.
Mine was going to be like chewing. If I'm sat here, I was like,
yeah, I'm gonna get a spatula for that.
this is working.
Okay, next question. What is your dream job?
Joking. I don't have a dream job. I have no dreams.
Come on.
Wait, it's right here. What's your dream job? Directing
Yeah, director.
in Hollywood.
I wish.
You should direct a small like film or something. I wanted to be a pilot, but I got told that that would never happen. So I'm like,
Who said that?
a lot of people. So I'm like, okay.
Oh, that's such a cool job.
I know. I was like, imagine if I just got a pilot license, and if I ever needed to save, if I was like, I need to run away, let me get in a helicopter. Night or day?
Nice. It depends, to be honest.
I'd say night because I'm not even awake in the day. I actually hate
I don't know, because it's
the
nice,
day.
it's a lot quieter sometimes.
Yeah, like no one else is up. Night when it's raining outside, and you just like start watching Netflix.
All cozy.
Yeah. Favorite snack? Like sushi.
I feel like
It's literally Google.
sushi.
Yeah.
Sushi's good. Sounds really lame, but like hummus and
No, yeah.
spicy hummus and like dip, you know?
Yeah.
Like a
I
good
like the
cracker
like,
thingy.
pita bread as well.
Oh, pita bread and hummus.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. I love pita bread.
Yeah. Favorite movie? Cars is the best animated film, in my opinion. Or Pixar film, whatever. Wait, did we even finish the questions?
What is your most used emoji?
The crying one. Then the smirk. It's so lumpy.
So my most used emoji was the laughing face. Do you prefer sweet or salty? I prefer salty, savoury.
I can eat more salty.
If you ate too much sweet, you'd be sick.
I feel like I just get bored of sweet as well. Ooh! I'll take the love.
Damn, it's huge.
Stop.
Oh my gosh.
Ew.
I think I made it worse.
This isn't crossing over.
We've done.
We're finished. Oh, let's have a look. Live, laugh. Oh, that is gorgeous. At the moment, it's a joke. It's what? A joke. It's gorgeous. Square it down. See you next time.
Adios.
Ciao.
Thank you, Ella, for being my first guest on this mini-series. So what are you looking at me?
If you take one message away from this,
Live, laugh, love.
laugh,
Look at these.
and love.
Ooh, soft. Cheers. It's really soft.
I can't tell if it's really nice or really horrible.
It's just like I'm not eating anything, like I'm eating air. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so what would you rate it? I'd give it like a 7.
I'd give it a 7.
To be honest, it could have been worse.
If you was to give it a live, laugh or love, I think
Give it a
I'd give it a laugh. It's like, ha!
Like I wouldn't mind eating it.
I'd still eat the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah, well, obviously it's cake. It literally feels like I just ate nothing.
Worth our time?
I mean, it is cake.
Yeah.
So.
We already did the outro.
I just wish sometimes to make sure know how you feel.